right, I hope y'all ready for this one. We dropping it. 300 in the building, put 4 in the air if that's how you're feeling. My wheels stay spinning, deal stays winning. I need me a grill so I can stay grinning. Cheese. This is me for the night. This is what I was out driving in. This is my buddy right there. Him and I just ate some pizza, so we kicking back, relaxing. It's about midnight right now, I think. So I think what I'm gonna do is just call it a night. I'm not gonna go back out and drive. I'll probably do some laundry or something like that. After I finish doing laundry, me and him, we're gonna go eat some snacks, right? We're gonna eat some snacks. You want a treat? Oh yeah, you know that word. And I got the other dogs in there hanging out with me too. So in a minute, we're gonna go in the kitchen. Everybody's gonna get some treats. We're gonna hang out. I'm done driving for the night. I got a client in the morning, 10:45, gotta pick him up. So after I pick him up, then I'll start my day doing, Lyft Black and all that shit. But for now, my night's over. It was a quick night. I made $60 from my private client. Then I made the 98, so I made about $160. Plus, I got prepaid for 2 trips I got coming up. So I got prepaid for 2 trips today. So I'm not going to count those in today's total, even though I got the money today. In accounting, we call that unearned revenue. There's an account called unearned revenue, and it's actually a liability. It's on your balance sheet, but as a credit balance. It's money you didn't earn yet. But the moment you earn that money, you debit that account and you credit the income statement because it's actually income, credit balance. Yeah, I actually went out and drove tonight. So let me show you guys kind of what I did while I was out. I only did 3 trips. Earlier today, I did this little trip right here because I had to pick up my client anyways. I picked up my client, brought it to the airport, came home, ate some lunch, and as I was at home, somebody was around the corner from me, needed a ride to Tempe. It's $22 was the upfront. Dude gave me a $5 tip. It's pretty easy, simple ride, real simple ride. He paid $25 for the ride, and I was getting 22 out of the 25 he paid. So I think this ride was an upgrade. Like he probably asked for a Lyft, but nobody was going up there to pick him up. He was paying $25. Nobody was probably near that restaurant and didn't want to go all the way up to the restaurant to get him and probably get $7 or $8. So they just kept canceling the whole time. Me, I had my phone on black SUV. So of course, I'm around the corner. They hit me up on black. Bam. Go. They pay me most of the fare. So I'm like, cool, whatever. That'll work. That was my first ride of the day. So I made my 60 and then I made that. So I was already at $87 for the day. And then my next ride, I took the day off. I kind of, napped a little bit, had to go grocery shopping, get some stuff and everything. And then I ended up doing this ride. So this ride came through at $37 and they gave me like an $8 tip, but it was $37 black SUV. Some people at a restaurant just below my house, because I was at home, shot down, picked them up from a restaurant, took them downtown. They were in town for a convention. They paid $53, and out of the $53, they were giving me $37 out of the $53. End up getting an $8 tip to put it up to $45. Good thing about this though, the people were like, as I was getting out, because we were busy in conversation, chatting, talking. So as we were getting out the car, the lady was like, hey, excuse me, do you also do airport rides? I said, yeah, I do airport rides. Can you pick us up Sunday to get to the airport? I was like, sure, no problem. I said, let me grab your card real quick. Reach in the car, grab their card here. She's, thank you. All we got to do is text you. I'm like, just text me. Okay, perfect. We'll need a ride. And we were talking cars. So the guy was like, can you bring the Jeep? I was like, you don't want the Jeep, man. The roof is off. It's like, it's going to be cold if y'all got to leave early in the morning. It's going to be freezing on the way to the airport. You don't want the Jeep, man. So we started laughing. I'll probably bring the Jeep. I'm going to text them and ask if they really want the Jeep. If they do, I'll bring it. But that was a decent ride. $53, and out of the 53, they were giving me 37. And I ended up getting 45 total. So, Lyft ended up taking $16 out of that. Lyft took $16 and I ended up getting 37. So, plus the little tip or whatever. I don't like that. That 1042 is killing me. That's killing me. I don't mind the external fees of 560 with the insurance and everything like that. But that 1042, that's kind of high, man. That should be down to about $5. So I don't know. Then my last one, I was downtown and I picked these people up. It was $24. They haven't tipped me yet. $24. They were at the same convention. It's a grocery store convention. And so like food supplier, vendors, everything, they paid 33 and I got 24. So I'm thinking, I think these people are being upgraded. Some of these people are truly being upgraded because they're not getting black SUV $33 to go like, 5 miles. That's like what, almost $8 a mile, which is cool, $8 a mile. Then I went about 5 miles and I'm getting $5 a mile. So they're getting $3 a mile. I'm getting the rest.
So it's not, horrible. It's not horrible, but I don't know. They just there's something about how these rides are coming through, because I had everything on extra comfort, XL, black and black SUV. I didn't have it straight black SUV. So they were tossing me a bunch of comfort rides and everything else. And I think at the end, they just got tired of me declining. So they sent me this. So I think I'm gonna start doing that. Just leaving my phone on, not everything, because I don't want the base trips. I leave it on premium. I don't put it on all. I put it on, premium. And they get tired of me canceling. So they just start throwing me black SUVs and black rides. I don't know. Maybe that's the way it's gonna have to work, but just leaving it on black SUV, I'm getting nothing at all. Nothing. So I'm dropping in the level. This is the level I'm dropping it to right here. I'm dropping it to this level right here, premium only, and I'm running that. Because if I put it on all, I'm getting a bunch of $3 trips, $4 trips, $3. I'm not declining all that shit. Throw it on premium, I'm getting $7, $11, still $1 a mile trips. Bunch of bullshit. But every once in a while, they'll hurry up and throw me a black SUV just to keep me on the app. Because they say, okay, this guy's not taking nothing. Upgrade somebody. He's close enough, upgrade him. Cool. And if I put it on black only, I'm definitely getting nothing. Definitely. So, I don't know. We'll see how this is going to play out. We'll see how it's going to play out. But like I said, I got 98 bucks sitting in here. I'll cash it out. I ain't worried about it. Ain't no big deal. So I'll cash that out just so I ain't gotta leave that, because I'm like, it's only $1.25. If they do something screwy, try to deactivate me or whatever, I'm not losing $98. I'd rather lose $1.25. So I cash out before I go to sleep, because y'all know what happened last time I went to sleep. One of these haters called and I woke up and was deactivated. So I don't want that shit to happen again. I ain't got time to play games with these people. Okay, so I'm out here getting all the cars ready for the night. I got the big truck ready for the night, but I got something special for the truck tonight. This is one of those nights where I got private clients. So when they open the door now, they're gonna see wine. You got red Moscato, and you got some white Chardonnay down here. So in each door, I want red and white. Each door, red and white. Here, I got red and white. And in my very back here, I got red and white right there. So I got 8 bottles of wine in here. They're complimentary bottles. They're gonna be nice and chilled. Like I said, even if my clients don't drink, I have something for them too. So for all my clients, the drinkers and the non-drinkers, I'll have something. But I want to, people to open that door and see those wine bottles. They be like, hey, where's our bottled waters? You requested a going out drink. You said you guys are going out tonight. This is complimentary. This is on me. You guys are paying the price, so you might as well, hey, enjoy your night. This is what I do for my clients. You know what I'm saying? They pay a good price. So for people that's ready to upgrade their service, you know what I'm saying, throwing some complimentary bottles of wine. You can get boxes of this stuff for like $2 a bottle. But $2 a bottle goes a long way. This is a $50 tip. This is a, $100 tip. This is something that's saying, hey man, we don't get this service nowhere. So go out, buy the bottles. Think about your people. Go level up. Ain't nothing wrong with that. You can do this in any car. It doesn't have to be black. So for the people out there who are closed-minded, who's thinking, well, I can't do it because I don't got a black car. You don't need a black car to do this. You just need a store near you that sells alcohol. That's it. You've got cup holders in your car, then use your cup holders in your car. It doesn't, cars that are not black have cup holders. Each one of these cars you see all have cup holders in it. I can do the same thing in each one of these cars. So therefore, don't be closed-minded. Don't be crying and bitching about you not having a black car. You don't need one. You just need a brain. That's it.
Y'all acting like some buzzards, deactivated from Lyft. I was, but I wasn't for years. Easy does it, do it easy cause I love it. Rub it in they face, raise to God, be above it. Get a shovel and I shove it down they throat. I'm the GOAT, all the rides that I poach and all the drivers that I coach. Make them scatter like a roach with the lights on. And we gone, what we on, you peons. Been doing this for eons. Edons, Edens, speed on, keep reading. The comments from the most honest contractors is breeding. These champions, we winning while we grinning as the wheels keep spinning. Fog lights is dimming in a driveway for highway on my way. Reminiscing with Nipsey on Spotify while I play the game like it's supposed to be played. Supposed to stay paid. Y'all steady staying posted, afraid of dragons I slayed. Judge.